Hey, this is Tony at Rut Manufacturing. Today we're going to be taking another look at our Tree Slayer. We're going to look at a couple of changes we've made, a couple of upgrades we made. First thing, we've gone away from paint and everything's powder coated, and that's not just with the Tree Slayer, that's with all of our attachments. Doing a powder coat, a textured powder coat finish on everything. One of the main things we've changed on here is we've gone away from the two-piece blade holder and we've gone to a single-piece blade holder. It basically resembles the blade holder on our Terminator. We've had such good success with it and such better balance out of it. We've gone with the 3/4 inch single piece, and the blades are on the bottom. Use a heavier, bigger bolt and nut combo as well to hold them on, which is also stronger. The difference in the mulching tooth, when you get the mulching teeth option on here, used to have the rows in single file. Now there's 3 between each blade, and they're kind of staggered and offset. So people say, some say, you lost a tooth, but the staggered and the offset actually gives it a little bit more aggressiveness and a better bite to it. Probably 95% of the Tree Slayers we sell will not require case drain now. We use a Girola style motor, and we use it on the speed increaser bearing housing, which bumps the speed up 2 to 1 over what the motor's putting out. Basically, it's just a lower pressure motor that does not require case drain. Now you get up over 30 gallons a minute, some of your 35s, some of those may require case drain. You get into our heavy duty Tree Slayers for your big machines, your 160 class machines, 130 class machines, every one of those still will require case drain on the machine. But that's just a couple of things that we've changed. Used to have a diverter valve or a selector valve. We no longer offer that. Basically what you had was a bunch of spaghetti coming off the cutter. You had 5 hoses that come off the cutter and a bunch of jumbled up mess. It was just too many fittings, too many loose points for things to loosen up, and just too much that could go wrong, too many hoses that could get snagged. So we'd no longer offer that option on here. But that's a quick look at our Tree Slayer and some of the improvements that we've made.